Hi guys, welcome to Mama J channel. So today I'm gonna make shrimp with fried vegetable. So we're gonna stir fry the vegetable. So we have cabbage here, the purple cabbage. We have the white one, and I have here chow. I have carrot. I have bell peppers. I have all colors, and I have onions, the purple and the white. And here is the shrimp, guys. I have some thyme over here. I have a piece of pepper, scotch bonnet, and I have pimento and thyme, and I have celery. So guys, I'm going to half cook the shrimp. So I'm gonna get this in the pot right now. So yes guys, so I'm gonna turn up the stove back. So I use this fish seasoning, Caribbean fish seasoning, onion powder, and Old Bay, and black pepper. That's what I use on the shrimp. And I'm gonna use this complete seasoning and the all-purpose and the chili peppers and black peppers when I am stir frying the vegetables. So guys, when the shrimp is halfway cooking, I will be right back. So guys, I am back to take out my shrimp. Now they're halfway cooking. So when they started to curl up like this, that means they're on their way cooking. So I'm finished with them for now. So now I'm gonna transfer pot over to the vegetables. Hi guys, here I am back to do my vegetables. So now I'm going to put the garlic, so guys, we don't want the garlic to burn. So now I'm gonna put my onion, then guys, I'm gonna put my bell peppers, my scallions, going to drop my thyme, my pepper, and my pimento. So yes guys, we just keep the stirring, that's so don't make it burn. Turn up the stove a little bit more. So guys, I'm going to put my carrots in. Yes guys, let's have a nice smelling fresh. Smelling very good guys. This is what we need to eat more regular guys. Vegetables, all these good stuff. So now guys, I'm gonna put in my purple cabbage. So now guys, I'm gonna put my season in the meantime. So I will be putting in a teaspoon of each seasoning. So this is my complete seasoning. Now I'm gonna put my all-purpose. So now guys, I'm gonna put the white cabbage. Yes guys, you see the color? Beautiful. Guys, I'm going to wait until these shrink, and then I put in my pop chow. I'm gonna cover it for a little bit. I'm gonna give it 3 minutes. So guys, here I am back to put my pop chow into it. Yes guys, it's cooking nicely. And my celery. Full to the brim. Yes guys, this is what we all need to cook regular. More healthy stuff. Nothing cannot beat this. So guys, I will be back again when it go down a little more. So stay tuned guys. Alright guys, here I am back to put my shrimp into the vegetable. Yes guys. So beautiful guys. Very beautiful. I'm gonna drizzle a little salt in it. I didn't put any. About a quarter teaspoon. And some black pepper. So yes guys, I'm gonna let it stay here for like 5 more minutes, and then I will be back with my finishing product. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys. Hi guys, here I am back with my finishing product, my shrimp with my vegetable. So yes guys, see my finishing product here. Yes, this is what I'm gonna have with it, some plantain. Yes guys, yes, take a good look at it guys. Yes guys, I want you guys to try this and tell me how well you like it. I don't use no water in the vegetables. You know, the vegetable have the water in it, so I don't use no water. These vegetables bring its own water. Only my coconut oil. keep liking, sharing, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, all relatives them. And just tell them about Mama J kitchen. That's it. Yes, guys. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.